Hi, it's Sonia here from Just Women's Business, and I want to show you how you can make a QR code for your template in Canva. It's super easy, so we'll get started. So basically all what you have to do is go to, we're in the elements, but what we want to do is go to apps. So in your apps you'll see QR codes there, so we just go and hit QR code. Now I'll just hide that. So what we need to do is you've got to pop in the URL you want the client who's scanning the QR code to go to. So for this instant I'll just use my Etsy shop URL, so I'll click on that and then I'll go here, pop it in, Control V, and I'll put generate code. So it's created quite a big code. Now we'll just drag it down to the size you want and pop it in the middle, and voila, you're done. So that's how easy making a QR code is in Canva.